Engine setting. There are 6 functions in this category. Idle RPM. You can adjust target idle RPM for special applications, such as high cam, etc. RPM limit. You can set the maximum RPM to protect your engine. VVA control. You can set the RPM threshold per VVA control. Deceleration fuel cut. You can decide whether deceleration fuel cut or not in this section. Auto tune. Here is the switch if you want to use auto tune function. Wideband O2 close loop. You can decide whether wideband O2 to correct fuel or not in here.